Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Hi everyone, I'm Nico. We're at the Blue Demon headquarters today, and we're going to take a look at 7014. We're going to be using Blue Demon's 7014 and 3/32. Here at Blue Demon, 7014 can be found in 1, 5, and 50 pound assortments. The AWS classifies the 7014 rod as a 70,000 pound tensile strength, all position, flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead with an iron powder titanium flux coating. The 7014 rod is able to be run on AC or DC, ideal for jobs that require high deposition and speed of travel, and the slag is easily removable. Typical applications include ornamental iron, machine bases, and sheet metal. We're going to be running the 7014 and 3/32 on Blue Demon's Blue Arc 200 STI welding machine with 90 amps and DC EP. You want to see how fast I can burn a 7014 rod? You want to see it again? Hey, thanks for watching. Check out bluedemonwelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.